Hey guys, in this video we are going to make a program which will find the factorial of a number. Program to find the factorial of a number using for loop. Okay, so for those who don't know what factorial is, for factorial is nothing but let us consider the factorial of 4. It is denoted like this. So 4 factorial is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. For any number, like if it is 6 factorial is equal to from 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So it's from the number till 1 will be multiplying from that. Okay, now let us try the code for that. Okay, hash include IO stream using name space std and main. Okay, now let us consider an integer called number. Now we'll be asking the user to input a number. So let us ask type a number or just number. Okay, semicolon, then the input value. Okay, now let us consider another integer called factorial. Okay, then we'll write the for loop. Inside the for loop we have an integer called I, which has the value of 1. Then I should be less than or equal to number, and it should be incrementing itself after iteration. Okay, so if the for loop is true, if the condition is working, then inside the loop body factorial should be become factorial into I value into I. Okay, now see out factorial of number is factorial and L return 0. Okay, now let us check from once again. Hash include IO stream using namespace std into main into number see out. Okay, everything is correct. Okay, we have a mistake here. Factor, we are considering the factorial value initially to be equal to 1. Then at first iteration factorial 1 will become 1 into 1, then it will become 2 into 1 and 3 into 1 till the it will be equal to number. Okay, now let us save it. Okay, so it is asking us to write the number. Let us consider it to be 4. The factorial of 4 is 24. Now let us consider another number 6. The factorial of 6 is 720. If we can check it from here itself, 6 factorial is equal to 6 into 5, which is 30 into 4, 120 into 3, 360 into 2, 720. So it is correct. 4 factorial, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 2, 24, which is correct. Let us do a big number. Let us consider 10. The factorial of 10 is a enormous, it's a very large value. It is around 36 lakh 28,800. So our program is working well. So I hope you understood what I taught you today. Thanks for watching.